Hello, dear children. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing the chapter 3, numbers. And in this chapter, we are going to discuss a topic, and that is comparison of numbers. Children, do you know what is comparison of numbers? Okay, so I will tell you a question. I will ask you a question. So everyone think and tell me how to answer that. Okay. So here is that David has 504 color pencils and his brother has 582 color pencils. He wants to find out who has more color pencils. How do you think David can find that out? Children, can you find out the answer? Okay, read it once again. David has 504 color pencils and brother has 582 color pencils. So, you have to find out who has more color pencils. So, my dears, here you have to apply the comparison of numbers. Okay, so that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so everyone look at the next one. Children, in the small classes we learn that the symbols for comparison. And what are they? Greater than, less than and equal to. Isn't it? Look children, greater than, less than and equal to. These are the symbols of comparison. And we know our hungry alligator always eats the bigger number, isn't it? So the hungry alligator always opens his mouth towards the larger number. Okay, and when the mouth is open towards the left side, and that is called greater than symbol. And when it is opens his mouth towards the right, then it is called the less than symbol. Okay, and when it is in equal position, that is the equal to symbol. Okay, so less than, greater than and equal to. And always remember, our hungry alligator eats larger number. Okay, our hungry alligator always opens his mouth towards the larger number. Okay, so the symbol's mouth should be open towards the larger number. Keep that in your mind. Okay, children? Okay, so discuss some more questions about this comparison. Here are some questions. Children, look, some pictures are given here. So you have to compare and then you have to put a symbol between these. Okay. So children, count how many tortoises are here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tortoises, isn't it? Okay. Now you count the number of puppies on the right side. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? It is 6. So children, tell me which number is the greater number, 9 or 6? Yes, 9 is the greater number. And we know our hungry alligator always opens his mouth towards the larger number. So the mouth of the symbol should be open towards 9. And we can put the symbol like this. Okay. So this symbol is greater than symbol. Okay. 9 is greater than 6. Clear children? Okay. Let's discuss one more question. Look, some ice creams are given in one side and then some cupcakes also given. So let's count how many ice creams and how many cupcakes are there. So ice creams are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ice creams and cupcakes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes. Tell me children, which is the greater number? 8 or 4? Yes, 8 is greater. So the mouth of the symbol will open towards the number 8. Okay, and this symbol is called greater than symbol. Okay, here this symbol is called greater than symbol. Okay, you can put the symbol like this. Now look here, down here. The king of the jungle is standing here. And who's next to him? Yes, it's the fastest animal, cheetah. So first you count the number of lions, then count the number of cheetahs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lions are here. Then on the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cheetahs. So look children, here on the left side it is 5 and on the right side also it is 5. So which symbol we can put here? Yeah, and we know our hungry alligator always eats the larger number, isn't it? So here our alligator is confused. Which one I will eat? He is confused. So you can put the equal to symbol. Okay? The less than and greater than both symbol will not come here. You have to put the symbol equal to, because here both sides are same. Okay, so this is equal to symbol. Okay, now we are moving to discuss some more questions of comparison. Okay, children? Okay. Children, now we are going to discuss some questions of comparison, and here are some 2-digit numbers are given to compare. In the last year, that is in the first standard also, we learned the comparison of 2-digit numbers, isn't it? So let's revise that once again. And here we have to use the symbol less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, always remember, the hungry alligator always opens his mouth towards the larger number. Okay, so look at the numbers given here. 36 and 45. These are the two numbers. Okay. So tell me children, which one is greater here? 36 or 45? Yes, 45 is the greater number, isn't it? So our hungry alligator will open his mouth towards 45. Okay. So the symbol here is less than. Now, look at the second number, 57 and 21. Okay, 57 and 21. Tell me children, which is the greater number? Yes, 57 is greater than 21, isn't it? Okay, so you can put the greater than symbol between this. Now, next question, 65 and 65. Both are same numbers. So which symbol we have to put? Yes, if the numbers are same, then we can put equal to symbol. Equal to. Now, next number 72 and 79. Tell me children, among these which is the bigger one? Yes, 79 is bigger than 72. Isn't it? So, you can put the less than symbol like this. That is, the mouth of the symbol is opened towards the larger number. Okay. So 72 is less than 79. Got it children? Okay. Now we will discuss the comparison of 3-digit numbers. Children, now we are going to compare the 3-digit numbers. Look, here the 3-digit numbers are given for comparison. So when we will get the larger numbers to compare, it will be a little bit difficult for you to answer, isn't it? Okay. Okay children, so this time you have to follow some steps. Okay, first step, you check the number of digits in the given numbers. Okay, so here two numbers are given, 120 and 145. Here we can understand these two numbers are having 3 digits in it, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3. So both numbers are having 3 digits in it. Okay, so both are same. In this situation, we have to move to second step. Okay, and second step is you have to compare the digits in the leftmost side. Okay, here the leftmost side digits are 1, and here in this number it is 1. Okay, so you compare these two digits. It is 1 and 1. Both are same. So then what you have to do? You check the next digit. Okay, the digit which comes after that. That is, here it is 2 and here it is 4. So check and compare 2 and 4. Tell me children, which is greater among 2 and 4? Yes, 4 is greater than 2, isn't it? So we know our hungry alligator's mouth is always open towards the larger number. So we know 4 is the larger number. So you can put the symbol like this. And this is the less than symbol. Got it, children? Okay. Now suppose here the numbers are 120 and 35. Okay, 120 and 35. Then here it is. Look at these numbers, children. Here it is 120 and 35. Okay, so we have to check the number of digits first. Here 120 has 3 digits and 35 has 2 digits. Always remember, a 2-digit number is smaller than a 3-digit number. Okay, so 35 will be smaller than 120. Okay, a 2-digit number is smaller than a 3-digit number. So we can put a symbol like this. 120 greater than 35. Okay, now come back to the question number 2. Here it is 465 and 399. Okay, for answering it easily, you can draw a place value chart also. Okay, you can draw a place value chart and then you can arrange these numbers on the place value chart. It is 1, 10s and 100s. Then the numbers 465 and 399. Okay, then you can check here in hundreds place which is the greater number, 4 or 3. Yes, 4 is greater. So this number is the greater number. This way also you can answer this question. Okay, so 465 is greater. Okay, now next question, 796 and 791. All these numbers you can arrange in place value chart and then you can compare. Okay, and it is 796 and 791. Okay, and we know the first step is you check the number of digits in both numbers. That is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Both are 3-digit numbers, isn't it? So what to do? You check the leftmost digit or the greatest place digit. Here the greatest place is hundreds place. Okay, so you have to check the hundreds place digit. It is 7 and here it is also 7. Okay, that is 7 is equal to 7. We got 7 is equal to 7. So we cannot compare it here in the first step. You have to move to the next step. That is, you compare the digits in the tens place. Okay, so the tens place digits are 9 and 9. And we know 9 is equal to 9 also. Okay, so we got 9 equal to 9 in the second step. Now we have to move to the third step to compare this number. That is, compare the digits in ones place. That is 6 and 1. Among these, which is the greater one? 6 or 1? 6 is greater than 1, isn't it? So 6 is greater than 1. So you can mark here 796 is greater than 791. Okay, the number 796 is having the number 6. So you can put the greater than symbol like here. Got it? Okay. Now look at the next question. 991 and 991. So we will write that number in the place value chart and then we will check which is greater. That is 991 and 991. Okay. Both are 3-digit numbers. So check the digits in hundreds place. That are 9 and 9. 9 is equal to 9. So check the next digits. That is 9 and 9 here also. That is 9 is equal to 9 again. And look at the last one. That is 1 and 1. 1 is equal to 1. So all the digits are equal. So what to write? Equal to symbol. So equal to 991 is equal to 991. Okay children. So this is the way to answer the comparison questions. Okay, is it clear? Alright. Okay children, let's discuss some more questions. So here compare the following numbers and using the symbol less than, greater than or equal to. Okay. So the numbers are 95, 136. Okay. And we know how to compare the numbers. Yes. First we have to check the number of digits, and if the number of digits are same, then we have to check the digits in the largest place or the digits in the leftmost side. Okay. This, and if both that are same, then you have to move to the next place. Okay. So this way you can compare the digits. So here we are going to compare it. Look at these numbers children. It's 95 and 136. And we know 95 is a 2-digit number. But 136 is a 3-digit number. So which is greater? Yes, 136 is greater. Because we know a 3-digit number is greater than a 2-digit number. Okay. So you can put the less than symbol here. Got it children? Okay. Now look at the next number. 376, 261. Okay. To answer this question you can draw place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds and arrange these numbers on the place value chart. That is 376 and 261. Okay. Now, first you check the number of digits. We can understand from this that both are 3-digit numbers. So you compare the digits in hundreds place first. So here in hundreds place, the digits are 3 and 2. Which is greater children? 3 is greater than 2, isn't it? So the number which is having 3 will be the greater number. You can put the greater than symbol here. Got it? The mouth of the symbol will open towards the larger number. Okay? Now next question, 526 and 898. So we will draw another place value chart for both numbers, that is 526 and 898. Okay? Now look here. Both are 3-digit numbers, isn't it? So check the digits in hundreds place. Here hundreds place digits are 5 and 8. Which is greater children? 5 or 8? Which is greater? 8 is greater. So you can put, we got 8 is greater than 5. So where is 8? 8 is here. So the symbol, mouth of the symbol will be open towards the larger number. So you can put the symbol like this, which shows 526 is less than 898. Got it? Okay. Now next number, 751 and 157. So let's do it. 751, 751 and 557. Okay. So here both are 3-digit numbers. So look at the hundreds place digits. Okay. It is 7 and 1. Tell me children, which is greater among these? Yes, 7 is greater than 1. So you can put the symbol greater than here. Okay. So here you can put the same greater than. Clear children? Now let's move to the next question. It is 330. So I am going to arrange these numbers on the place value chart. 300, 300. But look at the next number, it is 30. It has only 2 digits. That is tens place digit and ones place digit. So we know the 2-digit number is always smaller than a 3-digit number, isn't it? So you can put the less than symbol. You can understand 30 is smaller than 300. So you can write 300 is greater than 30. Okay. The mouth of the symbol will open towards the large number like this. Is it clear children? Okay. So today we discussed about the comparison of 3-digit numbers. I hope it's all clear for you. Everyone go through the questions and go through these all questions, and also I will send you some homeworks. Everyone go through that. Okay, and answer that all in your notebook. Okay my dears. So see you in the next class. Bye bye.